Namaste. I'm Rosalie, and this is a short guided meditation to help you reset and recharge. Research shows a short break can boost your focus and productivity, so I encourage you to come back to this meditation every day or as much as you can. Let's begin. Settle into a comfortable shape, letting go of any sense of rushing or busyness, knowing you can attend to any issues in just a few minutes. But right now, gift yourself these few minutes just for you. Soften and release any areas of tension in the body, perhaps in your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Can you soften and relax your whole face? Let go of any tension in your shoulders. Feel them melting down. Now take a big inhale. And as you exhale, soften and release even more through your whole body. Now we'll take 3 big cleansing breaths. And as you exhale, sigh all the air out. So let's take a big inhale. Sigh it out. And again. One more. Now let your lips come together and continue breathing in and out through your nose. Perhaps visualizing the breath as a color white, energizing and recharging you with every inhale. Fill yourself up. Take one more breath here, the biggest you've taken all day, and completely let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie, and I release a new video every Tuesday. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And please come back to this practice anytime you need a short, energizing break. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.